Hi, today I'm going to show you a strategy to add numbers using the number line. So what I want to show you is if we have our number line here and we have two numbers, let's say we're adding like 4 plus 7. And that's not a number that I know like off the top of my head. I don't have it sticky in my brain. I'm going to make a number line. I'm going to put my 0 here, 4 here. So I'm going to start with 4, right? And the first question I'm going to ask is how many more to get to 10? How many more to get to 10? And I know that right away because I know the numbers that I need to add to get to 10. So from 4 to 10, I know I need to jump 6. But I'm not adding 4 plus 6. I'm adding 4 plus 7. So then the next thing I'm going to think is, okay, from 6, how many more to 7? 6. Oh, I know, it's 1. And it's much easier to add 10 and 1 because if I do it over here, anytime there's 1 in the ones place, I'm just going to put whatever I'm adding as the answer, right? So 10 plus 1 is 11, which means 4 plus 7 is 11. And so another way I might do that is I might do it with like ones blocks and tens blocks, right? I'm going to just do it with circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to remember I'm adding 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to make 10. So we said 4. How many more to get to 10 was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put a box around these because this is 10 ones, which is the same thing as 1, 10. So I'm going to go down here now so I have more space. And I'm going to write it as 1, 10. And then that 1 extra 1, a 10 and a 1 is 11. So this is a strategy that I use in my brain because I find it a lot easier. I find it way easier to get to 10 and then add 10 and a number rather than trying to count on. I mean, that's a strategy that's correct. It's just, it takes a lot longer to count by one. So this is like a strategy to be more efficient so you can add faster and then you can move on to whatever is next in the problem. So I'm going to show you another example and then you'll be ready to do it on your own. So the numbers I'm going to add now are 7 plus 6. And we don't know what that is yet, but we're going to start on our number line. And eventually, once this really makes sense, you'll be able to do it in your head without even using the number line. You'll be able to picture it in your mind. So I'm going to start at 7. And remember that question I'm going to ask is how many more to get to 10? So from 7 to 10, I know 7 plus 3 is 10. So that's 3. But remember, if we go back to the original problem, we're not doing 7 plus 3. We're really doing 7 plus 6. So then I have to do I have to add more so that I get to 6. 3 plus what is 6? Now you could use a counting on strategy if it wasn't sticky in your brain. You could say after 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's 3 more. And then it's much easier to say 10 plus 3 is 13 because then I'm just putting the 3 in the ones place, which means that 7 plus 6 is 13. Now you can always check your work by counting on, but this is a strategy getting to 10 and then doing the extra ones that's really going to help you. So I'm going to show you with ones blocks and tens blocks, and then you're going to be all ready to do this on your own. So here's my 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then remember I'm adding 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we said, remember in the number line, we said 7 plus 3 is 10. So I already know I have my 7 at the top. And then I'm going to put a box around 3 because that's 7 and 3. That's the same thing as saying 110. So that's the same as 110 and 3 ones. And that's much easier to figure out. 110 and 3 ones is 13. So either way, there's two different strategies to do this that can help you think about getting to 10 and then adding the remaining ones.